Hi, my name is Gabe, and thank you for choosing Skill Cloud. Over the next couple of minutes, I'm hoping to share with you some tips and tricks to help you work with your assistant. I understand that you want to get started real soon and really fast. So hopefully this video can help assist you in getting value out of your assistant. This recording is for the bookkeeper. There's a few tasks to get your bookkeeper started. Number one is encoding. This means entering bills into Xero, MYOB, QuickBooks, etc. Invoices are typically sent to an email, such as accounts@abc.com.au or accountspayable@abc.com.au. Over time, these invoices tend to stack up and go unentered. This affects your quarterly GST claim with the ATO. If you are using accounting software, you will not be able to claim for GST if those bills are not entered, even if you have paid for them. Therefore, they need to be entered. The second thing that they could do is bank reconciliation. This means matching the bank feed with the bills that you have to pay. If you have invoice X amounting to $5,000 and you have made a partial payment, your bank feed should reflect that. Let's say you partially pay $3,000 off that bill. The $3,000 entry will go into your bank feed, then you will have to reconcile it on your accounting software. It is very important to capture properly what bills you have paid, what you have partially paid, and what you haven't paid. Otherwise, there is risk of overpayment or non-payment, and your relationship with suppliers will be at risk. The third thing are financial statements. Two of the most common financial statements that business owners or managers need to understand and generate is the profit and loss and balance sheet. Both of these financial statements are available in all accounting software. However, it is important to report these correctly. Your bookkeeper, in conjunction with your accountant, must know if a cost spend is entered into profit and loss or if it is an asset purchase for the business. In that case, will go into the balance sheet. This level of accuracy is important and is related to other aspects of the accounting platform, which are chart of accounts and so forth. We will not discuss that in this video. Your financial statements can give you a lot of information, and it can tell you where you are overspending, where you are earning most, and where the biggest or smallest return for spends are. In this next section, things that the bookkeepers cannot do. The first thing is they cannot prepare or sign off your tax return. We are not an authorized tax agent, and all of our bookkeepers are not authorized to prepare tax returns for your business. While some of them have worked under the supervision of CPAs, their work needs to be reviewed and signed off independently by an authorized agent. They can only see the information that you give them. In other words, they will not know what happened before their time, and they will not be privy to sophisticated financial instruments unless you teach them. They are not the financial gurus of your business. You are. Bookkeepers are just that. Bookkeepers. They are meant to assist managers, prepare reports, keep records clean, organized, and orderly. However, they cannot predict future sales or what the cost of shipping from China will be in the next 2 years. So in summary, bookkeepers are an extension of you. They are an extra pair of hands and arms that will organize and keep clean financial records so that it is easily understandable and useful to you, the manager. They are not substitutes for licensed and qualified accountants and tax agents. Thank you for listening. As the great Porky Pig said, that's all, folks. Well, if you're still awake at this part of the presentation, well done. And thank you for joining us. And I hope you were able to get a couple of pointers, tips, and tricks so that you can work with your assistant immediately and you can start getting value now. Hopefully, this video was helpful for you. Thank you.